5 litre jerry. Better way to go. 20 litre jerrys, they're pretty bloody heavy, and 20 litres is more than I need. 5 litres lasts me and one other person 2 days. So 20 litres is good to have, but I'm not always out for 5 days. So 4 of these equals 20 litres. Much more manageable. Kids can walk it down to the tap, fill it up, carry it back, no worries. I can put it in a backpack, carry it, no worries. For one person, there's enough there for 4 days, just. And if I get a hole in a jerry, which is rare if ever, at least I'm only losing 5 litres, not 20 litres. There's probably a few other reasons I can think of, but 5 litre jerry's definitely the go. Some people I know carry 1 and 2 litre bottles in a milk crate. The problem is, I had to go through 3 different models of 5 litre jerrys before I could find one that's sealed on the cap. So much so, I'm even nervous about this one. I screw it up so tight. The first jerrys I got, they came with no O-rings. And I've since checked and they don't have O-rings. So I had to get rubber O-rings, put them in there, and even with the rubber O-rings, it didn't make a seal. This one is an independent store in Wangaratta, and I was very reluctant because of my experience of the 2 other big ones, and this is an independent store, but he's a pretty big one. But this one makes a seal, no worries, and it came with an O-ring. I wish I could lie them flat and not worry about that leaking just after all this leaking experience. I mean, there's other reasons why they might leak, you know, like a crack lid, I lose the lid, or I lose the O-ring most likely. It'd be nice if I could put it on its side and not have that leaking, so that means that lid needs to be up here. So I don't like standing them up because they're so wobbly. It'd just be nice just to lay that on the ground or in the car, lay it flat, more stable, or in the canoe and not have to worry about it. But anyway.